Autumn is the season for sweet, crisp North Carolina apples. Homemade apple butter captures some of our favorite flavors of autumn and allows us to enjoy the sweetness of these apples all winter long. To start, peel, core, and thinly slice your apples. You can do it by hand just like this, but I'll show you another tool that's useful when having to peel lots of apples. This tool is so helpful because it peels, cores, and slices the apples all at once. Place the thinly sliced apples in a Dutch oven or heavy-bottomed pot, then add the rest of your ingredients. The ingredients you'll need and a detailed recipe are typed for you in the video description. Apple butter can be made on the stove or in a slow cooker. The stovetop method is much quicker, but the slow cooker method is convenient. When cooking apple butter on the stove, you have to watch it and stir it frequently to make sure that it doesn't burn. It gets really hot and has a tendency to pop. I've also listed in the video description instructions for how to make this in the slow cooker. The apple butter will take 1 to 2.5 hours to cook depending on how low or high you cook it on your stovetop. It's ready when it's thickened quite a bit and coats the back of a spoon. Canning the apple butter is the easiest part of the whole process. Simply fill your jars, leaving a 1/4 inch headspace, debubble, and then water bath for 10 minutes. Apple butter served on a warm, freshly made biscuit has all of the comforting flavors of autumn. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy it too.